Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about Genmab. So we will do technical analysis of Genmab, and the reason why we have chosen Genmab because it has some good uptrend for last couple of days, but suddenly it came down in the downtrend. So we will see how this stock is behaving or how it is performing. So friend, first we go and discuss this Genmab. I will show you three scenario of stock. So in the first scenario, when the stock is in the uptrend, so we will take example of this uptrend, this one, and then downtrend. So when stock is in the uptrend, closing price is above this regression line. This is the predicted, this is the regression line. So stock will be up, the closing price will be up. So if we compare here these two, 1507 and 4, so closing price is up. So in the uptrend, always closing price is the yellow and red is the regression. So the closing price is above always when the uptrend, and in the downtrend closing price is below like this. So if we take example of this trend, uptrend, so closing price here converges into the uptrend from here, from this 27th December, and from here it reverses into the uptrend. So regression line will also follow this closing price, but at some point here, for example here, it reverses to downtrend, and we can see here the difference between the predicted value and closing price is getting narrow and narrow. Can you see 8 and 12? So this is also signal that stock is going into the downtrend. If closing price and predicted values are getting closer and closer, so this is also a signal that stock will move into the downtrend here. And similarly, in the when the stock is going to the downtrend, we have this closing price will move here. This is the downtrend. So this trend continues here. This one getting down. So we are here. This one and this one is the same. But I just make two diagrams, one for the up and other for the down. The closing price is here, going down, 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 and regression is up. But right now in Genmab we can see it's the difference between the closing price and predicted value is 51. So it is a bit large difference. When this difference will get narrow, like these two lines will get somewhere here. At some point it will come down, and this one also here. So we will see. But right now it's also in good position for short term profit booking. We will see this example. The Genmab is an ideal scenario for here in third diagram. You can see it fallen 5 almost 6% at the closing price. This is the closing price. Maybe at that day it fallen 8%. I don't know, but 6% at the closing price. But meanwhile, day trading, I don't know, but maybe it possibility is that it fallen 7-8% or more than that. But let's see. So on that day it fallen, the closing price you can see fallen here. We are here for example. So I will take example of 60 and 50. The stock was trading at 60 kron, and it has fallen on that day to 50, almost 10%. So the closing price is this, but this stock will consolidate for next 4, 5, 6 days or maybe 2 weeks, and then this price will go up and down, and meanwhile this regression will also come and catches this closing price. So regression is also falling down and will get this closing price, and closing price also consolidating and little bit up. So maybe at some point it is 54 kron, and then they converges each other, and from here it will go uptrend. So the closing price will go up, and but it can take this can take 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 week. I don't know, but classically pattern happens like this. Regression coming down and this one go up. Or maybe it remain here and regression will come all the way here at 52. And from 52 then the closing price will move to 53, 44. But at some point, maybe here at 51, 52 or 53, 54, when they converges each other. So that is the point that tell us that okay, this stock is in the short term up from here like this at some point, but right now it's in 51. So that's why this was the little bit explanation of how this stock is going. So friend, if you don't know about this table, how it is designed and developed, so I will recommend that you people should see my regression video. This is the trend direction. So trend direction we can see up and down, and this is on another trend direction layer on top of TD. So TD1 is in on top of TD that tell us if it is D, this means that closing price has closed below the previous day. So and if it's close above the previous day, then it's up. So in the uptrend it's closes above the previous, so up, both up. But on sideways it can be up and down. TD1 difference is the difference between this predicted value and closing value. We have RSI and relative value, and percentage is the stock that is down on that specific day. This is the percentage of stock up and down. So I use these parameter for stock analysis, and we have this chart. So friend, this chart has been designed from this table I just explained. So you can see closing price is below the regression predicted value. Predicted value is above and closing price is below. And maybe at some point regression line will fall somewhere here or there, and then it will go up. Same like here, it fallen from here to this point. At some point they converges each other. So it can happen at different level. Here, there, it go up here, or maybe it fall a little bit and then from here it go up. You can see it's fallen strongly here, this one and this one, but it went up, it consolidated, but still it will go up at some point. So these two are the scenario I just discussed above in diagram 3. But Genmab is in the consolidation. This is the mean value from regression. So we have minus 50 for Genmab. If it's above 50 kron from the mean, then this is the selling point. And if it's below the 50 kron from mean, so then this is the buying side and selling side. We have also weekly chart, and on weekly chart we can see it's in the uptrend. So this shows that stock soon will move into the uptrend. We have this weekly chart, but weekly chart you can see this model line or predicted value is going strongly down. Here it consolidated. You can see it's moving up on weekly basis, but on daily it's in the consolidation. It was strong uptrend for 3 weeks but fell down on some news, something happened. This is what we have for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed.